extra time bafethu iphele ngo-0-0 but-ke big moments of the game. UNtwari noma ngithi uNtwari u-goalkeeper we-Kaizer Chiefs akafunanga ukureplace-wa. Sibonile bafuna ukufaka uVuma ukuthi uVuma uyozovimba ama-penalty. Guess what? Zange uNtwari athi akafuni ukuphuma, athi there's no way a-replace-we laphana, so azange avume at all u-goalkeeper. Nomthetho nawo udelayile mabathi bayam-replace. I could not believe that he was being replaced. So yiwo ama-moments amakhulu laphana we-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu ku-extra time. But overall, I mean, le player power esiyibonayo ukuthi iplayer uma lingafuni ukureplace-wa, thatha isikhathi, uRevlin naye ugcine eseyikhansela leyo substitution. But asingeneni kuma-moments laphana bafethu wa-extra time. Sibonile laphana uCela athola i-yellow card because udayivile ebhokisini, kube uhold ibhola wazama ukudlalisa ama-player wakhe, but-ke yena bekafuna i-penalty. And then sibonile like i-Stellenbosch isithola ama-corners amaningi, like isidominate-ile, but i-game it was all about i-physics from start to finish overall. Bokuyi-tough battle nje overall masibhekile laphana. There was a beautiful moment, could have easily been a great moment laphana for ilokhunjani iStellenbosch. Ucele uphase kabi, uphase wrong, jiki ilo ine-counter attack ilo iStellenbosch, but they could not utilize that moment. Lucky enough ukukwazile ukusurvive ucele because of uye owenza i-mistake waphasa wrong laphana. Yasurvive kanjalo-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs. Sibonile i-red card laphana bafethu, bakhipha umfana laphana after i-second foul yakhe overall. But it was a very tough game. But amanye ama-great moments sibonile uDupreez laphana bashaya nge-great cross bafethu, but-ke azange bakwazi ukucapitalize from i-cross kabani kaDupreez. But another moment esingayibheka, uGustin Sirino bafethu udlale beautiful lokhunjana free kick. Ucele uhlulekile ukushaya ibhola kahle, ulithintile nje balibhlokha because akalithintanga kahle the way bafuna ukulithinta ngakhona. So i-Stellenbosch sasurvive-ke, but ama-opportunities bokuwa i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Kaizer Chiefs ethola create ama-opportunities kancane ukuthi ikwazi ukuwina i-game overall. uLilepo uthola i-free kick eseduze kakhulu bafethu, wayishaya la u-goalkeeper avale khona, kwaba easy ukuthi u-goalkeeper alibambe leya free kick leya. Khona la umthetho wadlale kahle kakhulu. I mean, a great play from umthetho bafethu. Udlale to a point la ispeed, bengicabanga ukuthi futhi uSolomons lo ispeed sakhe waqala i-great counter attack, walibuyisa ibhola. Kaizer Chiefs yathola another moment because baliswitchile ibhola la ngaku-left, bahluleka ukuyi-convert le opportunity. Bawatholile ama-opportunity Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bakore, but bekungasiyo ama-clear opportunities, ama-semi-half chance opportunities because iStellenbosch besi-compact laphana emuva. Khona amanye ama-moments esingawabheka, uLilepo kunini ngikhuluma ngayo mfowethu, hhayi. uLilepo khona ibhola balibuya libamba, bamnika isikhala, ule phansi bafethu, uforced ukushaya kulela side lela. It's difficult ukuthi akore kulela side lela, but uforced ukushaya khona. Ibhola lakhona azange liye ndawo, livele laphephulwa umoya or lenzeni, beliyophuma ku-corner flag, but-ke yaliheda u-goalkeeper wani. Iplayer leStellenbosch lakwazi ukuheda lela bhola overall. I mean, uSolomons simbonile ama-great crosses wakhe, udlalile umfethu ne-energy yakhe. Sibone nabanye abadlali abangajwayelanga ukudlala, uMorris engena laphana ba-replace uLilepo isikhathi esiyophela. Phele kanjalo-ke i-extra time. Danko bafethu.